Clarity, yeah. Pick up yourself, Clarity. Down there I go.
I done them here, you know?
I down there I go to, you know?
How far you are from?
From Dumfries. Come up. Alright, that's it, man.
Crocodile out, you know?
Eh?
Crocodile.
I just talk about crocodile. I say I wish part them gone. Come back to another video about Dumfries. Yeah, man. Tropical storm Rafael. Just a showing colours. In the early morning, we never have much rain. But like we see in the evening now, more rain start fall. You see, not so much water come off of the hill. For the persons who used to St.Thomas, this is just right at Dumfries station before you reach the bridge. Well, Clarity, yeah. Pick up yourself, Clarity. Yeah, man. So we just look a bit top side the tire shop. I walk go down and so I go now down here so look like. Yeah, man. You can see all the water run off the road up there for Dumfries. Holy. I tell them I go Portman side today and the water start pick up. All the rain up the fall hard. First thing we are past to Portman tomorrow, we're going to have it very hard because some holes they're in the road. And you know, so once the hole them there and the water there, a problem. It's hard to can traverse through there. Give them detail pass just a bit. I say now whole heap of water they must put in through there. Whole heap. I get washed off of the little hill. No, no, probably go mark this side, which is behind me. Probably, not sure yet. There now you go so fast. Georgia. We are going to drainage. Little drainage shot here. So I see it dark. Now the rain soon come. Although I'm not really St.Thomas, I go get it. It's mostly the south western parishes, so but that side the rain I got there mostly. But I know hurricane it big, not hurricane sorry, tropical storm, it big same way, it produces a lot of rain and it can do a lot of damage same way because you know water is one of the most powerful force on earth. Yeah, man. Walk and go look over and see, check out what I'm going, make sure the road clear. Yeah, man. Look over and see. So the wave them high. I tell you yesterday, if I did video, the wave them calm, calm, calm. I know the saying go. The calm before the storm. But now the wave them rough. Rough, rough. So that's going out here, so it's a Dumfries. And see the tire shop here, for the person who know the tire shop, and the bridge there, right up here. So. But I'll take it easy, walk through, look for walk on. Just realize that we have the suburb, or we just see cross the road over there, so right here, so come out through. The whole heap of water that I push off the road one time, which is good because I know you don't want the water to stay on the road. So I'll go on, out also. I'm on the mag drive and I ride hard. Same way like I have to skate. Probably just go up at the bridge and turn back. I'm not sure as yet what I'm gonna do. Just do something. see wild on my right hand side. I see the next club right here. We have water from it. I come through here so too. Underneath here so. So right there so. I'm not sure if you can see it properly as the place is kind of dark. But still, I walk out of Dumfries here so. Let me see what I'm going. Come on. Oh, see the water here, no? I run go right out and I see you right here, so. Like I say, I will just walk up at the bridge and turn back. I kind of stop. I start video when the rain stop. Just a while ago the rain was here. Like proper tear. I tell you. But I gotta charge up my equipment then. So whenever I get a chance to really say come video. Those who don't know, up there's a car now next section of Dumfries, up at the community part of it. This is the main road, that side, Mark Bay, this side, carry to Port Morant and then place there. But one thing though, I think they need to clean like the side roads because a lot of times you have like debris like sand, stone, gravel, dirt and stuff that comes down and wash onto the road and pile up there and nobody cleans them. So I really think they need to sort out these side roads, because if you're driving on the main road you can see every time you go a side road, near a side road and it rains, there's a lot of debris that comes down from those roads onto the main road, which is going to eventually cause a lot of problems for the roadway. I know the vehicles are going to go over it and they're going to damage the roadway, especially if there's like gravel on it and the constant pounding of the gravel into the asphalt. And so I reach right to the bridge and I look over the bridge, probably go on the seaside if I'm brave enough and show you walk on the seaside. I'll wait till them people pass first. You know what's going. Alright. Alright. River run well, you know. Oh God, the second car come well far. I'm stay up here so I must splash. Alright, that's it, man. Thank you still, you know, bathe me. I don't want to be bathed in this dirty water, but the man, about come down. I'm going to go up the other side and show you what's going on. I'm going to stay over the other side. That's water comes through right there, so you see those tires. I'm not sure if you know see it, but wait for water come on. Go over the other side of the road. I'll just come down further because I don't want to get splash up. I don't mind put them wet up already. Still don't want to get splash up. there. When I look a bit, there's a crocodile in here, so. I see crocodile in there already when I look a bit, but since I get big, finish school and everything, I'm not seeing a crocodile. So, I want to try the crocodile and gone. And if they end there now, where then go when river come down and do stuff? Probably then get washed go to sea or probably then go up the river. I don't know. You can tell me in the comment section. There's a wipe of water come from out there, so in the back of Dumfries community. Yeah. Oh god. Eh?
Crocodile.
Me just talk about crocodile. I say I wish for them gone.
Young man in there, they right us up.
Eh?
Yeah, I always over there, stand over Peter Bank.
Oh, and probably get washed out at sea now. Here, see me just talk about crocodile. I must say, crocodile now my day out here, so but river come down, so I'm probably gonna see over that side there. Man, so I try to go over that side there, where to the water. And I'm being careful, so don't worry. Not putting myself in any danger. Because I know flash flood is a danger or something. Second time, walk over. No, I get stuck up, you know. But then I appear to get stuck up. But right here, someone talk about right here. Right here, so I have a hole. Yeah? Right here, so I have a hole. Right here, you see the vehicle trying to go over the other side. Most persons do not know about it while driving. Some persons know about it if you're familiar with the parish. There's a little sink right here from pipe work, which they need to sort out. As when you're going over it and you go down in that, the whole of your front suspension gets shake up. It's not one like where, you know, it's digged out or anything, it's smooth, but it is deep when you go down in there. So somebody would have to come and check that out. Right. I almost wish the hospital still, you know. Hospital they up there, so. And me there, down here, so. I'll probably go down and Lysa Beach too, you know. If me have time. But now go over here so first. Wait till these vehicles pass. The more I wait, the more come. I know I stop, man. I'll go over the other side. Alright, Mr. Look at confusion of going down here, so probably get a little break now. Nah, or we could up on the other side, seeing we come down. Alright, the sea trip just go down the hole. So, it needs to be sorted out. Take a walk down here, so look what going down there. Hope me not back up on the crocodile, honestly. I don't want to back up on him because I cannot outrun him. My two little foot them don't fast like his 4 foot or feet. Come on. See there. down on the seaside. Guys, now that's in the early part of the video. Down that side, the storm would have come on from the island, way over St. Elizabeth side. And we're in St.Thomas, so you know, say it's not nowhere near we, but we're still getting rain from it. Walk go towards Lysa Beach side, so I'll go on up there. Going up Lysa Beach side. We don't know yet. We just walk and go look. Hey, the water is deep, you know? Water deep. Now, I can walk to the shortcut here, probably. Yeah, walk through a shortcut here. Go look a bit topside roads far we did there. And see tambourine tree here. Long time I no eat tambourine. See it there with the tambourine them pond there. Guinea tree right side of it. Mango tree in front of it. Breadfruit tree side of it. Guinea tree over there so again. Mango tree in front of we again. Mango tree again in front of we. This look like one pear tree right here, so. Whole heap of fruit on this island here. Come on. Yeah, country is full of fruit and they are told you have to buy everything. Oh God. Come on, so. Wow, go up. There's a pumpkin right here, sir. I can make a whole pot of food and see Aki right here, so. Yeah, let's pick a breadfruit. If Aki in the pantry and full, then you pick a Aki and breadfruit that. And you pear full too. You know, say cut up two slices of pear. And go and eat. And I use that. Not for about a meat can or nothing, cause yeah, I eat the ital food. Maybe could be in there come. Take the time go for the hospital so. Just towards Lysa Beach. Come on. Out the road, me a big engine behind me. Oh, truck. Slow while approaching the hospital. Very barely I just don't know. And before it was storming, you can see it in front of me, it will get darker or whiter, whichever one, which will indicate more rain will come. More rain will come. I'm not sure to hospital, I can see the sign up there in front of me. Yeah, man. The H indicates hospital. Try to make a cross up here, so across the road. Just have to watch on two sides then, because I don't want to get hit down. Maybe the hospital right over there, so Can't deal with that now. Why if I waiting again? For the vehicle them slow down so we can get too fast. Try to cross. There it is. Come on, the hospital over there, so Princess Margaret Hospital. Yeah. There you go. There man, I do some video.
Eh?
They are do some video.
Oh, live?
Not really live, but in the moment.
Okay.
I show I'm going with the rain and something.
Yeah.
So I walk on a dump fish, I go to like to do and come back.
Okay, for that.
Eh? Come on. I'm there still. I no touch from there.
We take care of man.
I no from there.
Alright, boy.
Alright. Yeah, man. If you know past hospital, I can start right here, so get to know fried chicken. So when you get to know jerk chicken, right here, so yeah, man. Let's stop and ask the burger. Right here, so in front of the hospital. Whew. Alright. So the sign there over there, so Princess Margaret Hospital. Get me look at time, go down. So I'll go on down here, so yes. The hospital drainage system bad, you know. I can water jump out, man. But a whole like wall. Better drainage than some parts of the road. Actually, whole heap of water jump out. I do a whole lot of come back for the road. Still down here, so. But at least the road tilted towards the other drain them. So I'll carry it out to the sea. Oh God, down here, so it's like wet up store now. Although once they see me I walk, they know say yes. I do bite my have to lift up your foot. Once they see me I walk, they know say yes. Slow down. Don't splash me up. Yeah, I talk like I'm here on the place. Alright, so slow down there. Come through, man. Yeah. Good. I'm not doing nothing. Yes, let's see them slow down. Thank for the people. Oh man, the one that just decide say yes. Want to go faster now. Over to 2 and gone. Okay. Slow down. Big truck come. Well, I don't know if this. Well, if I get splashes tonight, I can't stand up. I'm standing up for what truck come. I'm sorry people if I'm being a bad cameraman. But there I look on the vehicle them and now point the camera where the action is happening. So sorry about that. Alright. That's it. Water come down here, sir. And go over UWI. Over there, sir. Not really supposed to go over there, so still. It's supposed to continue over that side and go into the drain there, so. And the one behind that sign. But I continue out down here, so. Look how I'll go, eh? And this look like our next vlogger. Pelpa talent. I don't know. Oh God. I don't know. Do we? Great minds think alike.
Why? Yeah, tell you.
Down there I go.
I don't know where
I down there I go to, you know?
How far you are from?
From Dumfries, come up. From down our bridge, so.
You don't walk no further?
Well, me da go back on my base side.
Why now?
That's the side where I come from.
You know nothing good.
Oh.
Don't
Yeah.
know see me agree.
Me da go back my base side, but I don't know. Probably just end it down there, so.
That's because we don't really snow only for
Rain.
rain and fall. It just it come like I better we come out by night early part. You see?
Yeah. But the way the place are going in the morning, you know, it look like it's rain and fall. I go fall.
Because the sun does shine on who we are seeing.
But come in, I walk go down there. Yeah man, so it's an entrance. That's the beach. For the people that who do not know. They have seating area over there, so hopefully GoPro will show what going, because GoPro need a lot of light and the time is dark, you know, so you know, right, probably see everything is on common fold there. Know them there. When you trouble them, you run you down. When I bow my little, you know, and see common fold nest and go teeth it out and then start running me down. But I know what you know, you see the water come from over the road. You see what going right here, sir? Even you can see the debris go up to the right there, so then pink something there. The whole light of water. So if I go, sir, let me see. Wait, I think it burst, but it not burst. But the whole of that water, you can see down here, so. Or it block up. But it has slowly take its time. Look at channel there over there. I go down to the sea. I've got the beach one clean up. But still, see it there. Down here. Our next gazebo. Like where you can stay now. Seating area. The beach one fix up still and clean up. Not telling a lie. Now I see it in here right here, sir. Yeah man, I'm gonna go check out Pepper Talent. Papa Talent YouTube. So let's go by there and tell him it's the east side. Say no. What up video, man? Man says so I go on all over your flood out. I hope nothing in this water to sick me now. Eh? When I see her, yes, but I don't see her face or nothing. Just, I say, with I see her?
You got this up where?
Oh. Oh. I say go man. Mm-hmm. Good man. That's your man. I wait for rain for go over this and mark the side that you know. Barely can see it. The wall right here is a wash out. I think a water from over this. And since the rain started for it's a wash out. Because where the years and they stay so. Whole of years so. Yeah. It looks so man. Because I come a couple of days ago. I know it stay so.
So easy the water can block the sun?
Yeah. Loose. Man say, well, the sun gone out and I see out so. You see. I have a next part to press on and drain there. Walk out there a little bit. You can see. Come on. Let down the umbrella a little bit. Because it's hot underneath the umbrella. Alright, that part here always stay like this. I know that for sure. Probably open up a bit more since the rain start fall, but here's always stay like this. Kind of look a bit wider though. The water come from up there so and come down in the channel down here so and go out here so. Normally the water don't go that side, that normally comes this side and go straight out. I don't know for what reason they choose to take that part over there and go out into the sea. Let's see it there. There's the beach. And UWI beach over next side. This is the UE Mona campus beach over next side. So walk down back the proper talent there. And look how we're going out the side there. See some big waves out there, some man. So water. Ooh. That messy, I must say, I want to look over some sit over here or dirty. The water go bad over the side here, man.
There's a broker all over the side.
Yeah, all the fence here. The fence here, they up, you know. Fence tear up now. It got tear for a long time, but now it tear up. You're supposed to can go over there, yes?
No, you can go over there, but you kind of jump kind of sink.
We don't go near the water. That's all. See? I'll have a little whirlpool right there, so when the wave come in. Let me see. Ground firm. Alright, ground firm. Come on, ground firm. See it there? By UWI beach. Oh, here's a little bit more cleaner than Liza beach, not lie. But it has the same issue. The place will get eroded due to the water. Come down through there. So. Check again. We go firm. We can't go cross. Eh?
Like somebody come over here already.
Oh, you know?
Almost somebody make this right now.
Oh?
I put nothing more
Over here, clean door.
Yeah.
Clean. Yeah. That's the B-side one fix up. We have them, man. I'm going to switch to the phone so I can at least get some little zoom. I'm going to throw off one. So over the UWI beach. beside License beside behind over there so. So we'll go on. It's Papa Talent there. Yeah man. Look how the place look out here so now. See I get rough with tropical storm Rafael. Watch here. What is it now? I follow Papa Talent there. You see what go on? What I hear to get tear away. I think overnight this happened. Due to the fact say you have the water come through here so. You see? This is what going on here so. Now eastern St. Thomas. That's why we've been down there so. Can't just them now because my phone need a lot of light to show but you can get the idea. In person it's much worse than how it looks on camera. And the whole of the rain fog out so the Marant Bay blackout Marant Bay view. So rain now come down back. Take your time and come down back. I don't carry receipt me the light source. I'm going to end the vlog here for today. Tomorrow I'll come after the rain. If I'm gonna walk here some probably go somewhere else in St. Thomas, check out some of the aftermath of the rain where the rain caused after it passed through. Yeah man, so with that being said, please remember to like, comment, share and subscribe for more and click the notification bell to get notified when I upload a new video. Stay tuned until the next one. Alright? Come back to go over Papa Talent channel and go subscribe to him. Yeah man, check out his content.